Zinc liquid type connector 90-degree type from ELECMAN, manufactured from high quality zinc die casting with polished finish. This 90-degree elbow connector delivers solid mechanical performance. Equipped with sealing gaskets, it creates reliable watertight connections between liquids and tight flexible conduits, electrical enclosures, or equipment. Its rights. Angle design allows conduits to make smooth right angle turns, avoiding sharper NDS that may damage internal wire AUL listed for wet location electrical installations. It offers a selection of a completes. Trade sizes ranging from 3/8 up to 4. This fitting is widely used in commercial, industrial, and outdoor projects where waterproofing, flexible conduits connections are essential.